Hey, have you tried beef tallow on your skin yet? If you're watching this video, you've probably done some research and decided that you want to try it, or maybe you're using a beef tallow and you're looking for something different. I would like to tell you about this one. I received it as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and then tell you about what makes it unique. And it does have a very unique feature that sets it apart from other beef tallows. So before I tell you what that is, I want to show you what it looks like. It's a screw top and it's a very thick, kind of a creamy. That's what it looks like. It is made from grass-fed beef tallow, honey, and olive oil. So each of those ingredients on its own is very good for your skin, but when you combine them, you've got something pretty special. So, like I said, it is a very thick and nourishing cream, but the thing that sets this apart is that it's not greasy. So a lot of beef tallows you get are nourishing, but they leave behind like a greasy feel. This just feels like a very nourishing lotion, which I really like. So you can tell it looks very moisturized and it is really nice, unscented, and it's just really good. So that's what sets this apart. It doesn't have that greasy feeling, at least I don't think so. It just feels like a very wonderful, nourishing lotion. You can put it on your face, you can put it all over your body. So that is what sets this one apart. Thanks. I would love to hear about your experience with beef tallow, and if you've tried this one in particular. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe.